Play di baro ngapeng sumbai pi sa channel sang updates dia kini video mentang sing asal fika mathematics section ke balawan hak DSC LDA kam TYPIST jong ke is hasil district. Dia akan perok mentang ini solve ya kini ke mathematics balawan hak DSC LDA kam TYPIST ke series sang ni ke series D. The first question today, the perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is correct answer 12. Nature of the roots of the equation x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 is correct answer is C, not real. How many tangents can a circle have? Correct answer is D, infinite. Find the value of tan 71 degree by cot 19 degree. The correct answer here is A, 1. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is given to be 95 centimeter. Correct answer is C, 15.13 centimeter. Find the area of a parallelogram with height and breadth given to be 11 and 12 centimeter respectively. Thì paralog kani ka question ngaklem la ban solve. Đây ka correct answer ka hang ni ka dai sis palai par. Thì comment paralog ka dai ni em sis palai par. Nama ngaklem la ban solve kani ka question. Ban ngandang solve ladang la ban solve ngan sa pentikna haka post haka community post. In a box there are 8 red, 7 blue and 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that is neither red nor green? The correct answer is 1 by 3. Next question, in a simultaneous throw of 2 dice, what is the probability of getting a total of 7? The correct answer is A, 1 by 6. 154, if P into Q is equal to P plus Q plus P by Q, then the value of 8 into 2 is, correct answer is C, 14. 155, if x is equal to root 3 plus root 2, the value of x plus 1 by x is what? The correct answer is B, 2 root 3. If x minus y is equal to 2, xy is equal to 24, then the value of x square plus y square is, correct answer is 52. Then 157, find the positive number which when increased by 17 is equal to 60 times the reciprocal of the number. The correct answer here is A, 3. 158, it was Sunday on January 1st, 2006. What was the day of the week on January 1st, 2010? The correct answer here is Friday. The correct answer is C. 159, today is Monday after 61 days. It will be, the correct answer here is D, Saturday. Then 160, the 10th term of the AP 2712 dot is, the correct answer here is D, 47. A polynomial has the following number of terms. The correct answer here is D, none of these. 162, what is the following numbers is a perfect cube? The correct answer is E, 125. 163, in a right angle triangle ABC, the longest side is, the correct answer is B, hypotenuse. Next question 164, yakanir ung khimla ban solve. The paralog sungha ban comment which one is the correct answer here. Then 165, what kind of polynomial is x minus x cubed? The correct answer here is B, cubic. What is the usual form of 100 into 7 plus 10 into 1 plus 8? The correct answer could be. Then 167, a boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. The correct answer is C, 4 hours. 168, the correct answer, it is 6 km per hour. 169, the correct answer is 24. And 170, the correct answer today 96. Te perlok ngangat pia yu cuman toy nak ni video chunga balda Facebook tana di video chunga sumpa like share ba subscribe nang ba ki perlok du kan yu cuman toy. Play shibun.